All right, what's up, guys? Got another video for you. So I got a new pit bike. So basically, the other day I sold one of my 50s. It was a billet wear, complete 50 roller. Had to ship it to California. So the guy sent me the money. I shipped it out, and then I was on Facebook, found this pit bike that I've kind of wanted for a while. And so I messaged the guy, and he had it listed for $24.50. I was like, hey, we take $2,000. That's how much I sold the 50 for. And he's like, come on with it. So I went and picked it up. But yeah, I haven't gotten to ride it. So today I'm going to go out to St. Joe's and ride it. So I'll strap on the GoPro and kind of show you guys the bike. But yeah, here it is. It's a Piranha 190 Daytona. So it's got the Daytona motor. And this thing rips. But yeah, here she is. Haven't done anything to it. The only thing I've done is put a shifter on it that was longer. But yeah, this is a single exhaust one. They have one with a dual exhaust. But yeah, it's just a single one. But yeah, I haven't gotten to ride it yet. All I've done is ride it up and down the street, but I haven't rode it on actual dirt or anything. And just riding up the street was freaking insane. It was so fast. So I'll be interested to get it out on some sand and let her rip. But yeah, let's get it loaded up. All right, just got done doing some motos on the 450 out here, and the sand is perfect. So I'm gonna throw the 450 back in my truck, get the 190 out, slot the GoPro on, and let's go rip it. All right, got her out. Gonna throw some gas in it, lube the chain, good to go. Man, she's empty. Dude, I got it from didn't fill it up. It's messed up. The shock on this is a little blown out, as you can tell. So bad. It sounds so good too. Could use a little carb adjustment. I'm not too good at that. This thing is fast. Holy cow. It's literally this, like the power of a 250 in this small chassis. It's unreal. But yeah, I'm about to do a little high-speed chase, or high-speed run, I should say. So I'll go through all the gears. Got 4 gears, so strap this on and let's do it. All right. Here we go. This thing's got so much compression too, it's all up, so there we go. out, just got done doing some laps, as you guys saw, and yeah, this thing's awesome. You know, I've had a lot of 110s and all that, and this thing definitely feels really good, and it's insanely fast. And the power, I had a 150 Piranha, and it was just like when you let off, it was like it wanted to die because it was just so fast. But you know, this being the 190, I think it just feels a lot better. Like, it doesn't want to, when you get on low RPM, it doesn't bog or anything. And yeah, this thing's like a 250 in a small frame, but it feels really good. I was worried because my other one I had, the older style, was too long of a wheelbase, whereas this one's shorter. So it actually feels really good. There's a small jump over there that I was doing on it. It feels really good. But yeah, I mean, this is like the best bang for your buck. It's about, I think, $3,200 new. I mean, by the time you buy a pit bike, it's about $3,000, and you know, you ain't gonna make it this fast. But you know, this thing's got a lot of nice stuff on it. One complaint is the shock's blown out, but obviously that's from someone before me riding it pretty hard. And the only other thing that I'm struggling with right now, as you can tell, my clutch is kind of giving out. I think it might need a clutch, so I'm about to check that out. But all in all, I mean, this thing's awesome, super fun to ride, feels really good, and it's taller. You know, usually when you ride a pit bike, you don't usually wear gear and boots and all that, but the way this thing is, you know, I'm wearing full gear, boots, all that, and I'm shifting good, using the brake good. Usually I hate riding with boots because you can't really feel the pit bike stuff and it's too small, but you know, this thing is built to race. So yeah, it just feels good, and definitely recommend getting one, and definitely try one out if you haven't. And but yeah, it's an awesome bike.